Hello, we are on the West Virginia border, hiking the Big Schloss, Little Schloss loop. Started at Wolf Creek, or started at Wolf Gap recreation area, and we're hiking straight up the hill to the summit of Big Schloss first, and then we're working our way down the Little Schloss. We got camp set up. I got my tent right here, rocking the new Z-Packs Plex Solo. Jesse's over here. Big Agnes Tiger Wall UL2.
Love it. Building a Ranger.
We're up here on, was it Mill Mountain?
Mill Mountain.
Up here on Mill Mountain, we did a summit. It's like a wooded summit, and we just got up here and noticed this spot, really liked it, so we decided to stay here for the night. Gonna get cozy, wait for the sun to go down, watch all the colors change in the sky, and then tomorrow when we wake up, we'll pack up, do some more hiking. But right now it's time to relax and get some fucking munch action going. That's damn sure. So I'm just laying in the tent, relaxing. Got food in my belly now. Jesse's out here with the fire. Might go out there soon. We keep thinking it might rain because the sky looks pretty crappy. But the weather says no rain, so we'll see what happens.
Blazing.
Good morning. About 8 o'clock, and it got a little bit cold overnight, but sun's coming up. Gotta eat some breakfast to get ready, and then keep on heading down the trail and try to finish the loop out. Ten and a half. What are you having for breakfast?
We're gonna strawberry granola.
Ooh, there you go. Way better than Mountain House. Roadhouse.
Stop kicking everything, Peter. Roadhouse.
Jesse, tell us where we're going.
Down Mill Mountain. Going right, and we're going to find some water. Got a spring, and then we're going for Little Schloss.
Little Schloss, and then road hike. Road hike. So we've been climbing from Mill. We had a steep descent Now we're climbing up Little Schloss, mostly just on this like old logger path. And not really much to see right now, but looks like we're almost to the top. So we'll see. So we're up here on Little Schloss. I actually kind of like it a little bit bigger than Big Schloss. The view I think is a little bit more impressive, and it's just gorgeous. It's quiet.
There's not a ton of people up here.
Well, after taking the view in and getting some water in us up here, we are going to head back down, and we have a 3-mile road hike once we get down to the road up to where our car is.
Pretty cool, man.
Alright, we made it down. We're doing a little bit of road walk action now. We made it down to the bottom of Little Schloss. We're taking the road back up to what's Wolf Gap Recreational Area where we parked, and that's over by Big Schloss. So we got about a 3-mile walk, and there probably will be some elevation gain, but we're on the home stretch now.